Well, I've not been having much luck recently with some of my purchases from AliExpress or TEMU. Now this is a compact kind of lightweight soldering iron that I bought from TEMU, and this is the model here. Basically, I turned it on to use it and it just fused. How if I turn this on? It's one of these ones where you have to turn it on. Oh! Gosh. That's no good. You saw there, I didn't do anything. Blimey. It's quite a decent looking one. It's got the digital readout here for temperature, and it's rated at 110 to 240 volts, so I can't see why it should have misbehaved. Anyway, let's try taking this apart and see what's happened in here. So this is where it basically fused. So you'd like to get a few more minutes out of something that you've paid for. This didn't even give me a chance to do anything really. I'm just wondering how it's all put together here. Is it a case of pushing it out, I wonder? Oh, and it might be. A bit more straightforward than I thought. I'm surprised. Oh, it's gone here. So if there is a fuse in here, it didn't protect it. Could it be these cheap capacitors? Not these dodgy green ones again. When I see these, I kind of think the worst. Need a closer look at this. Well, this seems to be where it went bang. There's a resistor there. It's probably shot, isn't it? Then on the other side, this dodgy capacitor. It's an IC here. Probably not really fixable. I don't know the rating of this. And it looks bigger than these little ones. So it's obviously mounted. These bigger ones at the end. It could be one of these sort of values. Yeah, so one for the bin, I think. There's a good chance that that capacitor has played a little part in that. There's actually room to stick another resistor in place, isn't there? The problem could be that when this was assembled, someone forgot to put another resistor in, because it's only rarely that you get a circuit board with missing components. I mean, yeah, it is fairly common, you do see it a lot, but it's very suspicious, isn't it? The fact that there's room for one there and only one resistor's in place. It'd be interesting if anyone can give me some advice, actually. Probably say don't buy your soldering irons that cheaply. If someone else can open up one of these, have you got an extra resistor in there? And if you've got two resistors in parallel, or even just the one, let me know what the numbers are of them. Maybe I can sort this out. Well, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll make more videos in the future. Bye for now.